Welcome back to your Monday market update, where I want to share with you what's happening in the Charlotte real estate market and go over things you need to be aware of and opportunities you can take advantage of, whether you're a buyer or seller in this market. Real quick, let's address the elephant in the room. I spilled something on my shirt. Don't judge me. The show must go on. I still film this, and yes, I could have changed my shirt, but you all don't come to me to look at my shirt. You want the data, you want the information. Let's dive in. Now, those of you who are unaware, I am Sir Ashley. I am your real estate advisor for the North and South Carolina area, but I am primarily located in the Greater Charlotte region. So all questions, Greater Charlotte region, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. I do have team members throughout North and South Carolina that can help you and assist you in buying, selling, or investing. Let's dive into the numbers and what you should be looking out for in the Greater Charlotte region. Now, this data comes to you from Altos Research. It is a data aggregate, and they're looking at what's presently happening in the market. It's not looking at past data. We're looking at what's currently happening. And as of September 16th, the median list price in Charlotte, North Carolina is $468,000, and the market action index is hovering right around 41. Now that means it is a slight seller advantage, and if you haven't looked at this video I put out yesterday, be sure to check that out, because while it is a slight seller's advantage, different price points offer different things. In certain price points, it is a buyer's market. In other price points, it is a huge seller's market. And when you put those two markets together, the aggregate gives you a slight seller's advantage. But if you're interested in knowing what it is for your particular price point, be sure to reach out to my team and I. And you can also download the Firm Real Estate Group app in your Apple App Store or your Google Play Store, and you can talk to my team and I directly in there and find out what's happening in those particular markets. Now, let's dive into the numbers a little more so we can get a further grasp of what's happening in the real estate market here in Charlotte. Again, you see the median list price, $468,000. Now, the median price for new listings, homes that came to the market recently, is below the median list price and is $451,000. Now, price per square foot has gone up at $244 price per square foot, and the average days on market is 68. And the median days on market is 42. Now, I deal with a lot of sellers right now in this market, and the biggest thing I hear is, well, my home is sitting on the market longer. What's happening? Well, please do not compare your home sitting on the market to when your neighbor sat on the market 2 years ago, 3 years ago, because homes during that time flew off the market because the demand was so high and interest rates were so low. Now, we have seen interest rates come down drastically from this time last year, but sellers right now, in order to put your listings in front of more buyers, they're offering seller concessions so buyers can buy down the interest rate. Reach out to me because we'll love to have a strategy session on how we can help you put your property in the best position to get the most money in the quickest amount of time. But I want you to be realistic when you look at this data, because the median days on market is 42 and the average days on market is 68. So please plan accordingly if you have a move coming up, a job relocation, because the numbers are the numbers. Now, the percentage of homes that have decreased in price is 50%. That is slightly up from the past week, and that should be expected because if a seller is motivated to sell their home, they're going to lower the price just a little bit to attract some new buyers. And depending on the price point, some of those properties above $600,000 have a lot of wiggle room to lower their price. Some of them drop their price $5,000, $10,000, $25,000 and not even blink an eye. Now, inventory this week did creep up a little bit. It creeped up about 60 homes. Right now, we have just under 1,600 homes available on the market. Now, when I mean homes, I'm talking about single-family homes. This chart right now is only talking about single-family homes in Charlotte, North Carolina. And if we look at rents right now, rents have been hovering right around $2,100 for this whole summer, and in the past week, rents went down to $2,050. So if you're a buyer right now, you see this index right here. It's showing market action. Market action is the lowest it's been since May 31st of this year. So what does that mean for you? That means buyers right now take advantage of there's not being a lot of competition in the market, because a report just came out. NAR said and looked at the data and saw the trend with interest rates. The best week to buy a home this year in 2024 is September 29th through October 5th. Now, everybody saw that report that just went out. You do not want to wait until that month, because that means you're going to be competing with everyone who saw, oh, this is the best time to buy a home. Take advantage of that information early and use it to your benefit, because the more buyers come to the market, the less room you have to negotiate and the less room you have to get seller concessions. Seller concessions can make a huge difference in your monthly mortgage payment. We're talking $200, $300, $400 difference just by getting $5,000, $10,000, $12,000 back in seller concessions. Now, for up-to-date news regarding the housing market, be sure to follow this page, like this video, and share it with friends and colleagues. Also, remember, download the Firm Realty Group app from the Apple App Store or your Google Play Store. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor, bringing you all the news and updates regarding housing, and in particular, the Charlotte market. Talk soon.